Hello friends, good morning. This video about product positioning strategy. Firstly, introducing myself. I am Nisha, MCom previous of MPM Government First Grade College Karkala under Mangalore University. Firstly, we understood the meaning of product positioning. The process of creating an image of product in the minds of consumer is called as a positioning. Let's create the image in the minds of consumer about the product is called as a positioning. Positioning helps to create a first impression of brand in the minds of target audience. In a simple words, positioning helps in creating a perception of product or service among the consumer. The best example for product positioning is Bisleri water. Anyone went to buy a water, they ask that give a Bisleri water. Next, we move to the product positioning strategies. In that first one, using product character or a customer benefit as a positioning strategy. Under this strategy, products are positioned on the basis of benefit they provide and their characteristics. It's mainly on the benefit of the customer or the character of the product. For example, Eno, Sensodyne, olive oil, etc. Next, price quality as a positioning strategy. Positioning strategy based on the price quality. So the consumer looks for the product within a category based on price and quality and then selects the product with the price or a quality combination that is most suitable to their needs. For examples, cars, mobile phone, etc. Next, third one, positioning strategy based on use or application. It depends on the use or application. By introducing new uses or a different uses of the product, that will be automatically expand the brand market. For example, Colgate is already have a position in the market. They are producing different products with the different uses, so they will create a positioning strategy. Positioning strategy based on a product users. It is associated that product with its users or a class users. It's mainly depend on the users. For example, some products are using only for the babies and some products are used for the sports persons, etc. And the next fifth one, positioning strategy based on the product class. Under this strategy, the marketer highlights the product class association, that is by competing against the product of same class. For example, Dettol or 2-minute Maggi and the different shampoo products. And next one, positioning strategy based on the cultural symbol. Cultural symbol can use it to differentiate a product from its competing brand. Sometimes some product will take a position in the market on the basis of the culture. So cultural symbol position strategy, some masala tiffin, it's on the culture, its logo is depends on the ladies because they prepare the food. Then shadi.com, LIC, Shahara, India Parivar, Max Life, etc. Positioning strategy based on the competitor. The position strategy is also based on the competitors. Marketing is closely linked to competition. Under this strategy, the firm's product is positioned to appear that it is a competitor. Some big Snapdeal versus Flipkart, they will competing each other, and the Colgate and Pepsodent, Big Billion Days and Great Indian Festival, etc. Thank you.